Hey guys, me Skyleflink, and I came back from GameStop and other places, and I've been having to walk in this shitty snow with my friend here because nobody claims to shovel the sidewalks. There's a big street right there. Oh shit. So anyways, about a couple of stuff from GameStop and I went retro game hunting today, and I found I bought 3 sealed GameCube games and one Game Boy Advance game that I've been looking for years. And yeah, we're walking home. And apparently this is a school that we're walking through in the snow. Oh shit. Oh fuck. This fused out. That light just fused out. Did you just see that? Oh fuck. Walking in this shitty snow is annoying. We shouldn't complain. Boston's having more of a bad snow day than us. Oh shit! Ow! So cold, my shoes are freezing. Oh my god. Nobody. Alright guys, well I'm gonna go home and unbox these GameCube games and show you what games I got today. So yeah, comment, rate, subscribe.